Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel, and let's get here for another unboxing video. Let me just change this light. Today I'm unboxing a blue pen, so I have a blue Victorinox knife, and let's see, it's also a Kaweco pen, so it's always exciting. Can I open this like this without a knife? No. So let's cut this. And here we have it. You can see Kaweco logo and the little papillon. So we think we have here a Kaweco Sport in a Hello Kitty collaboration. So let me take this out, and there you can see. So very nice. I will just zoom in and I'll be right back. So as you can see here, this pen is called Kaweco Hello Kitty AL Sport Fountain Pen Opal limited edition. So it has this opal color, it has that seal, holographic seal of Hello Kitty and all that stuff. And let's open. Usually with Kaweco pens this wrap is not closed, it's just over the box, but in this case it is sealed. So we'll take the box out of this cardboard sleeve. We have this shiny one, and the sticker and the thing, the little paper with the history of Kaweco and certificate. And we have clip. It's always nice to have a clip. And we have here the pen. This was available with gold and silver nib. I'm not sure. I have to confirm that information. But I think it was available with gold or steel or chrome trim. And there you can see, let me bring it back to auto exposure. No, it's too dark like this. Let me try to provide a better exposure to see if it is more real. I would say it's something like that. Okay, so it is a light color in a frosted way. It has chrome trim. So here we have the chrome steel nib in original color and a cartridge of Kaweco Royal Blue. Let's just take a look at the nib. This is a special edition for Hong Kong, I think. And let me try to show you. It has the Hello Kitty face there on the nib. I think this is really fun. This is a blue one. There was already an edition of a Kaweco Hello Kitty. I think all the engravings are the same kind of frosted finish. Let me check, yes. Okay, these are not exactly the same, these engravings, because they are not aligned in the same way in this side, which is fun. Okay, and this one has gold trim. Let me just show you the nibs of both pens. So they have the same nib, one gold, the other one is in silver color, so in steel color, and it's really nice. I think it's really fun to have a pen like this. So just for some comparison, as I know some people like, I think people that will buy this Hello Kitty will buy it because it is an Hello Kitty pen, but maybe you just want a different shade of blue, and if that's what you want, let's show you. This is the pink Hello Kitty, This is the blue Hello Kitty, the Opal, and I brought here some other blue Kaweco AL Sports. We have the light blue, or the pastel blue, how it is also called. I have here also the Sky Lucent. This is frosted, silky, smooth finish. This is the Iguana Blue, also frosted. Then we have the Petrol, which is some kind of blue also, but much darker. We have the blue, AL Sport Blue, no longer made. And finally the Blue Eclipse from Ackerman, which is a very dark blue. Let me do this, bring them all together. And this is the Hello Kitty. It is a different shade of blue from all the others. It is a very light blue, but with a hint of green, I would say. It is a very interesting color. I think it's interesting to have another pen with the Hello Kitty logo. It's always fun to have more pens, but it's getting very hard to keep with all the Kaweco special editions, because there are lots of them. And so this is the Hello Kitty. So this is all I had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you now understand more how these compare with the others, and I hope soon to make some other videos, not only unboxing but also some reviews and stuff. So see you next time. I hope you like, subscribe and do all that stuff, and we'll meet again soon in some other video. Bye!